How to install Google Antigravity CLI on Windows. As you can see, I've successfully installed Google Antigravity CLI and I'm going to give it a task, okay? And as you can see, it has performed the task perfectly fine. So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing, okay? So all that you have to do is simply go to Google. From Google search, simply come and then search for Google Antigravity and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google Antigravity by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the official Google Antigravity platform, just like this. So when you look at the top, you see that we have all these options right here. Simply come here to the resources, put the mouse on it. All these will pop up. Simply come here to the documentation and then come and click on it. So it's going to bring you right here to the docs platform, okay? And then over here, you see that we have all these options right here. The one that we are going to select is Antigravity CLI, okay? So under it, come and then put the mouse on where we have the right arrow, okay? And under it, you see that we have this getting started. Come and click on it, and it's going to bring you right here where you can simply come and then copy the codes to install the Antigravity CLI. So among the list, you are going to see that we have Windows PowerShell right here, and then we also have Windows CMD. We are going to go with the Windows PowerShell, okay? So from the Windows PowerShell, we are going to see that we have this. That is what you are going to copy to install it, okay? So you see that I have the copy here. Come and then click on it, and when you click on the copy, you see that it has been copied successfully. So after copying it, simply come here to the Windows, come and click on the search and come and search for PowerShell and come and select run as administrator, okay? So when you click on it, it's going to open just like this, okay? So inside the administrator PowerShell, over here, simply come and put the mouse here and then come and right click on it, okay? So after right clicking on it, it's going to paste the link just like this, and all that you have to do is simply come and then hit enter on your keyboard, okay? So after hitting enter, is going to install it for you. So as you can see, it has successfully installed it, and now you can simply run it. All that you have to do is simply come and then close the PowerShell, okay, and open it again as an administrator, okay? So after opening it again, over here, all that you have to do is simply come and check the version. So type AGY space dash version just like this and then hit enter. So this is the version of the Antigravity CLI. Now we can launch it by simply typing AGY just like this, then you hit enter. So it's going to try to ask you to log in, and then you have two options, okay? So we have Google authentication and then we have the Google Cloud project. So I'm going to go with the first one by simply typing enter, and it is going to pop up like this. So it's going to say that if it does not automatically open your browser, come and copy this link, but you will try that you will not be able to copy it. What you have to do is that you have to come and put the mouse anywhere just like this, right click on it and then come and click on select all just like this, and then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it, okay? Now open Notepad from your system and come and paste everything inside it just like this. Now you have the option to come and highlight only the URL, okay? Put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and then click on copy. Now all that you have to do is simply open your Chrome browser, and then from where we paste in the URL, come and paste in it and then hit enter and come and select your Gmail, okay, and come and click on copy to copy the code. After that, simply come back here, okay, and then over here you see that it says press on the shift and then the down arrow, okay? So just press shift and the down arrow until you reach where it says come and paste in your link here. Come and then put the mouse at where the cursor is blinking, right click and come and click on paste, and that is it. After pasting, simply hit enter, okay, and it is going to log in for you just like this. So when it logs in, it's going to say welcome, and over here you have to come and then select the color that you prefer. So I'm going to go with the light and then simply hit enter, okay? So after selecting it, over here you have to come here to where it says migrate options. Simply come and then use the arrow, that is the forward arrow on your keyboard, okay? Just press on it so that it gets to the next, and then come and hit enter, okay? And after that, over here you have to come and then read their terms of services, okay? So after reading it, over here come and agree. So to agree, simply come and then use the forward arrow on your keyboard, press on it until it reaches the done, and then come and hit enter. Good. So after that, you will see that it's going to ask you if you trust the folder. All that you have to do is simply hit enter on your keyboard, okay, saying that yes, I tried the folder, and that is it. Antigravity CLI is going to launch just like this, okay. So now let's try and then ask it to do something. So I'm simply going to ask Antigravity to list some app ideas that I can actually build and then publish, okay. So, or I'm simply going to say hi Antigravity, and as you can see from here, Antigravity has responded, but I cannot see the writing, okay. So I have to set it. So over here, come here to the PowerShell, come and then right click on it, come here to where you have properties and come and click on it, okay. And then when these options pop up, simply come here to where we have the color, come and click on it. And then over here, the first one is the screen test. Come and check the circle just like this. And then the screen test color, come and select black, okay. And after that, simply come here to where you have the screen background, come and check the circle. And then the background color, simply come and then select white, okay. So after that, all that you have to do is simply press OK. So you find it from the bottom just like this. Come and click on OK. And you see that the color will change just like this. All that you have to do is simply close it and then reopen it, okay. So search for PowerShell and then run it as an administrator, okay. And then it is going to pop up just like this. To launch Antigravity, simply type AGY and then hit enter, okay. And that is it. It's simply going to open Antigravity and then log in. Since we have already logged in, it's going to open just like this. And now I'm simply going to ask you to perform the task. So I'm going to ask you to give me some app ideas that I can actually build and then publish on Google Play Store. Then I hit enter. It is going to ask me to proceed. So simply type enter again, okay, or hit enter so that it will continue just like this. And as you can see, Antigravity CLI is now working perfectly fine, and it has given me all the ideas that I want, okay. So this is actually how to install Google Antigravity CLI on your Windows. Like the video and see you in my next video.